This video is primarily about how you'll get your kit, how it's packaged, and what you can expect in your order. Take a look at our other videos for a more comprehensive and technical look into our products. Whew! Here's the parcel, thank you. That was really quick. So at the moment, our parcels are being sent by Australia Post e-parcel, and we do have access to other couriers, and of course, if you're in Sydney, you can pick it up from our shop front. But we might have changed who we use depending on how old this video is, so call us if you have a specific delivery question or requirement. But I'm renovating and I'll only really need this kit in 3 months' time. I'll think I'll open it up later. Maybe not. Let's have a look now what's inside. We try and pack everything with recyclable products such as butcher's paper and cardboard, but if you do find plastic or bubble wrap in your box, it's usually because we've reused packaging materials from other not so environmentally friendly companies. At least it's been used twice. So in the box we have a roll of cable, the internal screamer, 3 universal ceiling mounts for the sensors, a reed switch, the extra ceiling mount sensor I ordered, the B426M Ethernet module, the external siren, keypad, battery, and plug pack. And here, I presume, is the main panel. And it says here, additional items packaged inside this box. Great, control panel metalwork. The 3 movement sensors. Stickers for the windows. And a great cheat sheet. This cheat sheet shows every item and how it's connected to the control panel. It's a must-have for any kit you choose. I'm going to open the main control panel box while we are here. So let's see what's in here. The PCB, the main panel. The accessory kit, including resistors, battery leads, and some other connectors, as well as the screws to mount the board and secure the control panel box lid. The Bosch user manual, and the Bosch technical reference guide. So, it looks like I have everything I need to install this kit. If you enjoyed today's video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our website where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.